They haven't given my share of royalties ever since I've been with them.
You've not gotten any royalties from Marlian music?
At all. I got introduced to drugs.
Right.
Then,
in Marlian music?
In Marlian music. That place was like a prison to me. I've never liked the old Marlian music kind of lifestyle.
So what do you mean by lifestyle?
Yeah, in terms, they were too gangster.
In a shocking revelation, former Marlian music signee Fabian Blu has exposes the dark side of Naira Marley's record label. In an interview with media personality Chud Gideon Wall, the singer described his time at Marlian Record as nothing short of a prison experience. Fabian Blu, who was signed to Marlian Records in 2020, claims he was introduced to hard drugs and witnessed a troubling lifestyle during his time under the label. He also revealed that discrimination and tribalism were also a major part of the record label's culture, stating that because he wasn't a Muslim, despite leaving, Fabian claimed that Marlian Records still owe him royalties from the past 5 years and had not paid him a single penny. He recounted confronting Naira Marley over the unpaid funds, but was met with laughter when he mentioned taking legal action. He also spoke about the poor living conditions he faced in the accommodation provided by the label and recalled being thrown out of the studio when he sought help from his mother.
I've never liked the old Marlian music kind of lifestyle.
So what do you mean by lifestyle?
Yeah, in terms, they were too gangster. Okay. You understand? I got introduced to drugs.
Right.
Then,
in Marlian music?
In Marlian music.
Right.
You understand? I got introduced into drugs in Marlian music.
Okay.
And that's why I said it was traumatic and it was also dysfunctional. And
so go ahead.
And just because I didn't want to be among them, I had to exempt myself from them.
However, this revelation has sparked outrage among fans and the Nigerian music community, especially following the tragic death of Mohbad, another former Marlian signee who spoke against the label before his passing. As question lingers around the Marlian record label, let's know your thoughts in the comment box section. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.